Hey there, music lovers. Have you ever found yourself tapping your foot to a song and noticed that some tracks make you feel like time is flying by, while others have a more chilled out vibe? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of music rhythm and exploring the difference between playing behind versus on top of the beat. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex musical concepts into bite-sized pieces. Today, we're going to talk about how playing behind or on top of the beat can completely transform the feel of a song, giving it a unique groove and energy. One of the biggest challenges we face is deciding whether to play behind or on top of the beat. The choice we make can significantly impact the overall groove of the music, determining whether a track feels laid back and relaxed or full of urgency and excitement. When you play behind the beat, you create a relaxed, laid-back feel that allows the music to breathe and groove in a more casual manner. On the other hand, playing on top of the beat adds a sense of urgency and excitement, pushing the music forward with a faster pace and higher energy level. The key difference between playing behind and on top of the beat lies in the feel and energy it brings to the music. It's essential for musicians and music enthusiasts to grasp these concepts to fully appreciate and create different musical styles and experiences. Let's dive deeper into the differences between playing behind the beat and playing on top of the beat.
Loved him so and turn around and let him go. Then he said you better watch your step or you're gonna get hurt yourself. Someone's gonna tell you lies, cut you down to size. Don't do me like that, don't do me like that. Well, I love you, baby, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that, don't do me like that. Someday I might need you, baby, don't do me like that. Listen, honey, can you see? Baby, you will bury me if you were in a public eye. Give it someone else a try. And you know you better watch your step or you're gonna get hurt yourself. Someone's gonna tell you lies, cut you down to size. Don't do me like that, don't do me like that. Well, I love you, baby. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. What if I need you, baby? Don't do me like that. 'Cause somewhere deep down inside, someone is saying love doesn't last that long. I got this feeling inside, night out of day, and never can take it no more. Listen, honey, can you see? Baby, you would bury me if you were in a public eye. Give us someone else a try. And you know you better watch your step or you're gonna get hurt yourself. Someone's gonna tell you lies, cut you down to size. Don't do me like that, don't do me like that. What if I love you, baby? Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. I just might need you.
Experiment with playing behind and on top of the beat in your own music. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more music-related content. Keep grooving, keep experimenting, and keep making beautiful music. Thanks for watching.